Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a screen that looks should exactly look like this one. Now from here, all you need to do is select your desired language by tapping right over here and to open up a list of different languages that you can choose from. And also you can select accessibility if you need to, but I don't, so I'm just going to select Get Started. This will then take me to the next page, which is Wi-Fi connection. Now if you don't want to, you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi, at least I think so. There is a chance that you might need to. There are some devices that when they're completely brand new, they force you to do so, like Samsung's as an example. But I don't think Google is one of those. This isn't a brand new device, it has been already set up, so possibly that's why I can set it up in offline mode, which I will do. Now when you click on it to set it up offline, it gives you this pop-up that by doing so, you won't have the Google login page show up, you also won't be able to restore apps and data and get software updates, along with date and time won't be set automatically. So I'm just going to select continue. There's the date and time that was aforementioned before, and you can fix it up if you want from here. If you're planning to connect to your Wi-Fi later on, then you can completely ignore most of these messages, because once you connect to it, the entire message basically becomes useless. Anyway, sticking with this page right here, we have a couple different services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't want some of them, you can completely turn them off, though how turning them off actually affects it, I have no clue, because I still think that Google will gather data on you, just now without your permission. Great. Anyway, moving on. We have limited warranty and safety data. I guess select where you're from. So to avoid your limited warranty, select the country where you bought the device. So there you go. I don't really care, so I'm going to go to the next page, which allows me to set up a screen lock. Now the device automatically opts into a 4-digit PIN, but if you want to use something else like a pattern or password, you are free to do so by selecting the screen lock options right over here and selecting your desired screen lock method. And if you don't want to select any kind of screen lock, you can select skip right over here. This will bring up another message, skip setup for PIN and fingerprint. A PIN is required to set up a fingerprint unlock, and PIN protects your tablet if it's lost or stolen. Now in this case that would actually be correct, because as far as I'm aware, there is no bypass method for the Google verification FRP lock at the moment. This could change later on though. Anyway, I'm gonna skip it anyway. Swipe to navigate. This is just gesture navigation. Now it asks you if you want to skip or try it. By trying it, it goes through 3 different navigation gestures. So we have the swipe up to go home. It also highlights the edges where you need to swipe from. As you can see, we have another one, back gesture, and now should be swipe and hold. Yep, there we go. And nice, well done. So from here we can now just swipe up and it will take us to our home screen. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.